India have won the toss and Silla took the bat first. India won the toss and Silla took the bat first. 174 runs away from India's 175 runs away from Tucker Chase is Africa. It's the World Cup final. It's the World Cup final. India versus Africa. Very well. It's the first ball game from its second innings as well. Let's have a go. 175. First ball again from Chase. It's Africa. Jasprit Bumrah. Yeah. The way coming drop it to down leg side. Quick, come back to single run again. Nice, straight down the ground, really well. Good shot. Straight down the ground away. It's the Danny ground for 4 more. There's a carry drum down the leg side, man. There's a nice cut from as well.